The Coir Board, which is a statutory body of Government of India under the Coir Industry Act 1953 for the promotion and development of coir coconut fiber industry in India. Head office is based in Kochi and the regional offices are based in various regions of India. This board functions under the Ministry of MSME. In 2013, the Coir Board was celebrated its 60 years of establishment. So the Government of India released a commemorative 10 rupee in memory of its Diamond Jubilee. This coin is made up of copper nickel center and aluminium bronze ring. The coin carrying a logo of Coir Board, and this coin was minted in Mumbai, and the actual price of this coin in this condition is approximately 40 to 50 Indian rupee, which is almost 50 to 60 US cent. Swami Chinmayananda Saraswati, commonly referred to as Swami Chinmayananda, who was a Hindu spiritual leader and a teacher who inspired the formation of Chinmaya Mission, a worldwide non-profit organization to spread the knowledge of Advaita Vedanta, the Bhagavad Gita and the Upanishads and other Hindu scriptures. The Government of India was issued a commemorative 10 rupee on the birth centenary of Swami Chinmayananda in 2015, on which his portrait is visible along with his name. It's a Kolkata mint coin as there is no mint mark. This coin valued around 30 rupees or 40 to 50 US cent. International Day of Yoga has been celebrated annually on 21st June since 2015, following its inception in the United Nations General Assembly in 2014. This coin was released by the Prime Minister Sri Narendra Modi on 21st June 2015. A Guinness World Record was created in New Delhi for most people doing yoga simultaneously in one location. On this coin, a human figure seated in front of a lotus in a yoga pose, globe encircled by hand folded in prayer. International Day of Yoga is written in both Hindi and English, and this coin was minted in Mumbai and priced around 30 to 40 rupees. Next one is National Archives of India, which is a repository of the non-current records of the Government of India and holds them in trust for the use of administrators and scholars. It was originally established as the Imperial Record Department in 1891 in Calcutta, the capital of British India. Nowadays, it functions as Department of Culture under the Ministry of Culture, Government of India. In 2016, National Archives of India completed its 125th year of establishment. On the coin, an image of National Archives building in the center and logo of 125th anniversary celebration above the image. The price of this coin is around 100 to 120 rupees, and this coin was minted in Noida. Reserve Bank of India is India's central bank, responsible for the issue and supply of Indian rupees and the regulation of Indian banking system. In 2010, RBI celebrated its Platinum Jubilee. So in memory of this celebration, Government of India issued a commemorative 10 rupee bearing a logo of Reserve Bank of India, and this coin was minted in Noida and costs around 50 rupees. Banaras Hindu University, formerly Central Hindu College, located in Varanasi, Uttar Pradesh. It was jointly established by the Maharaja of Darbhanga Rameshwar Singh and Madan Mohan Malviya in the year 1916. So in 2016, BHU celebrated its century year. In this memory, Government of India minted a commemorative 10 rupee coin on which the logo of university was printed along with the image of university entrance. This coin minted in Hyderabad and costs around 100 to 150 rupees. The next one is Unity in Diversity 10 rupee. This was the only coin which was minted only in Noida. On the overside of this coin, Ashokan capital with Satyameva Jayate in Hindi below at left and 10 written at right and date and mint mark below. On the reverse side, 4 hands shares a common body, crosses with a dot in each quadrant. This coin costs around 50 rupees approximately. In the year 1915, Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi returned to India from South Africa at the request of Gopal Krishna Gokhale. He bought an international reputation as a leading Indian nationalist, theorist and community organizer. This coin was issued in 2015 in the century commemoration of Mahatma Gandhi, on which depicts both young Mahatma Gandhi and Gandhiji in old age, showing his transformation from a Pravasi to Mahatma. This coin was minted in Mumbai and its price is 100 rupees approximately. India-Africa Forum Summit is the official platform for the African-Indian relations, which is had once in every 3 years. In memory of 3rd India-Africa Forum Summit, Government of India was issued a commemorative 10 rupee on which a logo of India-Africa Forum Summit along with a face of lion with overlapping maps of Africa and India. This coin is one of the interesting coin ever issued by Government of India, and this coin is priced around 70 to 80 Indian rupees.